In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are Splitit fees 2025, step by step. Let's start with how Splitit works. Splitit lets you split a purchase into monthly installments using your existing credit card. There's no loan, no new line of credit, and nothing to apply for because it uses the credit you already have. When you check out, Splitit places a temporary authorization hold for the full purchase amount on your card. That hold then drops over time as each installment is paid. A quick tip here, make sure your available credit can cover the full amount at the start, because that hold can affect other purchases until it decreases. Now, the big question about fees for customers. Most of the time, there aren't any. Splitit doesn't charge interest, sign-up fees, monthly fees, or hidden fees. You pay the purchase price and nothing more, divided into equal monthly payments. Keep in mind, though, that if you carry a balance on your own credit card, your card issuer could charge interest on that balance, which is separate from Splitit. There are a few costs you might still see, but they're not from Splitit. Your credit card issuer might charge a foreign transaction fee, typically 1 to 3%, or a currency conversion fee if the purchase is processed internationally. Those are bank fees, not Splitit fees. If you often shop with international merchants, it's worth confirming whether your card charges these and what currency the transaction will settle in. Some merchants may add a small processing fee or require a minimum purchase amount to use installments. This is uncommon for customers, but if it happens, it should be clearly shown before you complete checkout. Always review the order summary before you confirm. It's also important to keep your card in good standing during the plan. If your available credit drops below what's needed for the authorization, or your card is blocked for online transactions, the authorization might fail. In that case, the merchant may cancel the order or handle it according to their policy. So ensure your card remains active and has enough room. So who pays Splitit? Merchants do. They cover the cost to offer installment payments, much like other payment services, so the customer experience stays straightforward. To bring it all together, imagine a $600 purchase split over 6 months. You pay $100 each month with no Splitit interest and no Splitit fees. Your total remains $600.